The 2015 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars. Inside you'll find Sirius Satellite Radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, security alarm, universal garage door opener, dual front airbags, radio data system, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Come see the car for yourself.